A class is a special kind of type. And I say that because last week we talked about enumerations being a special kind of type. A class allows us to define a template for objects that we are allowed to create, which means by using classes, we can create our own custom objects to behave in the way that makes sense for our program. Now you might be asking right now, well, how do you decide what thing should be turned into a class and what kind of behavior should go on the class and so on and so on? And that is a very, very big topic. It's called object-oriented design, and it's not something that is going to come very quickly. All I'm doing right now is showing you guys a tool that you can use to organize your programs in a way that makes your code better. And understanding how to use these tools will definitely come in time as you work with programming. So, again, a class is a special kind of type. Well, what do types allow us to do? Types allow us to create variables of something. Because a class is a special kind of type, we can now create variables of our new class that I defined on line 7. I defined a product class. So what does this code up here do between line 7 and 11? Well, it actually doesn't really do anything. We have a definition. Just like if I were to define an enumeration of, I don't know, enumeration of product type, soda, bread, I don't know, cheese. Just like if I was to define an enumeration, up here on line 13, this code doesn't do anything either. It doesn't do anything in the sense that nothing executes by just having this code in. Instead, what I've done is I now allowed my program to be able to create objects of type product. I can now create product objects.